Hello and welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. And pretty much today's video is going to be about this website that I found for dividend income. Well, not dividend income, a dividend tracker. So pretty much, those of you guys who don't know what a dividend is, I will leave the video to that in the description below. So I'm gonna hop on my computer and I'm explaining to you guys I'm pretty much give this website a review. I use it myself and I personally like it. It gives you like a nice estimation of how much dividend you should expect annually. So it's a really good thing to have. You could check it out and pretty much like you see your progress over time. It's a really nice website to have. But like I always say before I do anything, please give this video a like. Make sure you destroy that like button, and for everybody who's new, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Let me get over to my computer and let me go get that open here and you're gonna see what I'm talking about.
All right, so here is the website I'm talking about. It's called trackyourdividends.com. I will leave the link to this in the description below. So pretty much as you can see right here, it's telling me my portfolio value at the moment. Right now, today is a Saturday, so it's obviously in the aftermarket. It tells me my dividend yield of my whole portfolio, my yield on cost of my whole portfolio, and my annual income. This is the important one I wanted to know, which is my annual income, because obviously the platforms that I have don't offer that information. So over here, pretty much just sets all my stocks on here, and it'll separate them each into its own category. It tells me my dividend yield, its yield on cost, and its annual income, how much I'll be making off of it on a yearly basis. And I can just edit it and press anything I want. I just put the ticket. If I want to change one, I would just press edit. If I were to buy more shares, I would press edit and I would fix this up. Put what was the average cost I got it at, the number of shares that I have it at, etc. If I want to put a new one, I'll just press new holding and insert the information it's asking for. If it was Pepsi, I would just if it was Coca-Cola, I would put KO, put the number of shares I got, and etc. Is it that simple? And it tells you how much you'll be making off of each stock on a yearly basis, which is really good to know. As you can see, Boeing is probably like a really good one to buy at the moment for the long term. What else? There's a lot more to this. These are just telling you the formulas of how they got whatever they got. So let me go over here and go to free tools, diversification. This will pretty much tell you how diverse your portfolio is. As you can see, I'm in 10 sectors, showing you how diverse my portfolio is. It tells you how much of each sector each stock is taken up as in a pie chart, which is a really good way to visualize and see your portfolio. It tells me here that real estate is my highest weighted stock, meaning it's taking up 24% of my portfolio, which is something good to know. And energy being the least, only taking up 2.92%. There's way more things you could use. It tells you your upcoming dividends, how much money you're shown to be making each month. As you can see, let's see which one's gonna make me the most money. Let's go with it's November. As you can see, I've been making $19.76 in dividends, and who knows, the more I reinvest, the higher all these numbers can get, which is something really cool to know. You could see how much money you're destined to make in these upcoming months. Very cool to know. Tells you which stocks paid you their dividends and which haven't, which has confirmed they will give it to you, and etc. This is very good, very cool to know right here. And it's really cool. You're really organized for your future, and you can tell how much money you're supposed to be coming in and when. So very, very cool. Let's see. This is another part. It just shows you, oh, this is cool right here. This pretty much tells you in what year, how much is your portfolio value based on compound interest is shown. If you were to reinvest it, this pretty much just tells you how much your portfolio should be valued at. So according to them, by 2029, my portfolio should be valued at $8,208.75. And mind you, that's not putting in how much I'm going to be putting in on a weekly basis and compound interest. So this is very, very cool. That's something very, very cool right here. So it gives you a lot of unique things you can look at and check out. There's also there's a subscription. There's a subscription to this website that you can get more things added on. Personally, I'm cool with everything I have right here, but it's something really cool. You could do some analytics, and it has a bunch of things you could learn off of it. It's very unique. It's something really nice. This is just pretty much telling you your annual payments right here. It's very cool. Some of these things I'm like in shock with. I'm like, what? What else? Let's go to pretty much. They have a lot of unique things. It's simple. You just put in something. You put in whatever stock specifically you want to learn about, and it'll tell you things. This is what I was telling you guys over here, that there's a premium dashboard with more stuff you can get to if you really want to go deep into analytics and all that stuff. They even have a grader telling you, like, is it a safe stock, is it not, etc. This is pretty cool, but that's just the basics of what I want to go over this website. If everybody wanted to know how much money they're destined to make on an annually basis based on their portfolio, this is a website I really recommend. I'm going to leave it in the description below, like I said, and you can just click and learn away on this. It's very simple. You just press new holdings, obviously, and you just add your stock onto here, and it will be entered in your portfolio. And you just, every time you were to buy more of a share or etc., you would just press edit, and you do so, and you edit out whatever you need to edit out. And it's something really, really cool. I really recommend you guys to get this. You need to stay on board and see what you are destined to look for in the future. So pretty much that's what I wanted to show you guys and speak to you guys about. I'm going to leave this link in the description. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. See ya.